Hey my loves, welcome back to the channel. On today's recipe I'll be sharing with you this mouth-watering shrimps pasta. So my loves, let's get into this video. So to make our delicious pasta, we'll be needing some shrimps, onion, pasta, and right here I've got some yellow, red, green bell pepper chopped, and I have some scotch bonnet pepper for a little bit of spiciness if you love your food to be spicy. I've got my garlic, which I'm going to be chopping into tiny bits. I'm going to mince the garlic, and I have my oyster sauce and dark soy sauce. So these are the simple ingredients we're going to use to make this delicious pasta. So let's dive right into the cooking. To start with, we're going to be parboiling some water, which will add in some salt, just a little bit of salt. Then we'll add in our pasta and allow it to cook like 80%. So you just follow the instruction on the packaging of your pasta to know how many minutes you need to cook. And we're going to add in just a little tiny bit of oil to boil the pasta, and at this point our pasta is cooked 80%. I'll go ahead and drain this off. So right now I'll add in a teaspoon of oil into my pot, and I will add in my seasoned shrimps, which I seasoned with some paprika powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and I will just like cook this for a minute to 2 minutes. Then I will take it off the pot. So after cooking the shrimp for just about 2 minutes, I will add in my onion and I will dice my garlic into my pot. Right now I'll go ahead and add in my green, red and yellow bell pepper into the pot, and I will allow this to cook for just a minute. So my loves, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Hope you do find the recipe helpful. If you do, please don't hesitate to give this video a like, drop a comment for me on the comment section if you have any question, and if you do enjoy watching, please do give me a comment on my comment section. So right here I went ahead and I added 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce into the pot, and I will also go ahead and add 3 tablespoons oyster sauce into the pot, and I will allow this to simmer for about 1 minute. One minute later, I will go ahead and add my cooked pasta, which is like 80% cooked, into the pot, and I will give this a nice stir and allow it to cook with the sauce. I will allow it to absorb all this delicious flavor from the bell peppers, the oyster sauce, and all of the stuff. So guys, if you do give this recipe a try, do let me know in the comment section how it came out. I bet you're going to enjoy it. Your kids, they are going to enjoy this. I went ahead and I added a little bit of fresh onion just to give it more flavor. If you don't like fresh onion, you can skip that part. And at this point I'll go ahead and I added in my cooked shrimps, and I'll give this a stir, allow it to cook for just 2 minutes more, and voila, that's our delicious pasta ready. Quick fix, delicious and mouth watering. Thank you very much guys for watching. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to the channel. My name is Lydia Isaac. Hope you stay by, hope you do subscribe to the channel for more delicious and mouth-watering quick fix recipe like this. See you on my next video. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.